Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset service Volvo XC60 updated. Go to the center display, open Settings, then Service and Vehicles, and choose Reset Service. Confirm each prompt and watch for the confirmation message. If the reset does not take, cycle ignition off and on, then retry the steps slowly to ensure each screen registers your input. This process is straightforward and avoids unnecessary dealer visits. Begin by ensuring the car has power and the center display is active, then access Settings, Service and Vehicles, and choose service intervals. Select Reset and follow the confirmation prompts until the display shows success. If your display prompts for PIN or confirmation, enter it carefully and press Confirm. After the reset, verify the service indicator is cleared by restarting the vehicle and checking the dashboard for any remaining messages or reminders. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful content for you. Quick recommendation. The book we mentioned can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with practical car care by freeing mental bandwidth for maintenance decisions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the reset fails, try restarting the vehicle and repeating the steps slowly to ensure each input registers. Some models may require a security PIN or slightly different menu names, so cross-check your manual if needed. If the service light stays on after several attempts, it is wise to schedule a technician visit to scan for fault codes and verify the maintenance record. That avoids masking underlying issues and keeps your Volvo reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.